Hi, my people. It's me again. We're going to visit Bo-Kaap. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but you see that place with pink little houses. So we're just going to see that, and then afterwards,
In 500
we are
meters,
going to
turn right.
we're going to what? To what, babe? Afterwards, we are going to V&A. We have a sunset cruise scheduled at 7:15, but we have to arrive there 30 minutes early. So to book up, we're not gonna waste any time. We're just gonna sightsee and then we're gonna be out. So, and let's go.
Me all up in my feels, in all kind of ways. I be trying to play, but lately I just wanna keep it real. No more playing safe, let's take it all the way. I'm just saying, I just want.
We have arrived, but there's some little weird traffic.
It's not traffic, it's this guy.
There's so much space on the road, right? But there are cars stuck in front of us. I know that doesn't make sense, but yeah. Let me show you guys.
Me all up in my feels, in all kind of ways. I be trying to play, but lately I just wanna keep it real. No more playing safe, let's take it all the way. I'm just saying, I just wanna make time for you. Swear it's just right for you, like this pussy designed for you. 10 out of 5 on you, know I was sign on the line for you. Bet I look nice on you, open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. What you waiting for? What you waiting for? What you waiting for? Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. What you waiting for? What you waiting for? Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get. Tonight I wanna get.
We are here, you guys.
In 100 meters, turn right on Dawes Street.
But
Then turn left on Long Market Street.
there's no parking. There just seems to be so many cars. But it looks beautiful. It looks very beautiful and so colorful. So super excited. So now we are just trying to look for a parking. And I'll keep you guys on the loop.
Turn right on Dawes Street.
It looks
Then
like a
turn left on
residential
Long Market
area
Street.
though. Like it's like people live here. So if people live here, why would they paint their house blue or pink? Interesting.
Promise I'ma give it to you like you never had it. I do it so good, it's gonna be hard to.
The views are so amazing, you guys. And we couldn't find a parking, so we had to make a U-turn. But it looks stunning. Oh my gosh. It's like you're not in Cape Town. Okay, I know Cape Town is beautiful, right? But the way the houses or these buildings are structured, it's nice. They look like art. We've arrived, guys. It's so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Nothing like the pictures, honestly speaking. It's so nice. Oh, that looks nice. And there is the famous Bo-Kaap sign. Guys, trust me, it looks more beautiful in life than in pictures. We're done. We have to go back because the road down there is closed because they are filming something. I don't know if it's a news or a drama, but yeah, it was worth it. The sight is 10 out of 10. We are at V&A. We've arrived earlier than we thought. So for now, we are just gonna use the bathroom, walk around a bit, maybe do some shopping. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm tired of vlogging now, you guys. Very tired. So I'll just take a little bit snippets of the sunset cruise and maybe shopping if we do, engage in shopping, but if not, I love you so much, guys. Mwah.
Social media and then tag us at V&A Waterfront. I actually see the amphitheaters there already. I see you on the... Come on, be my baby, come on.
Guys, as you can see, it's so full, but it's really nice to see everyone excited to welcome the new year. So we're just gonna wait for our boat ride. We couldn't do a lot of shopping because what? Everywhere is so full. Yes.
Later when we go out, maybe we can swap.
We have made it to the boat on time. I don't know if you guys will hear me because it's so noisy, but anyway. just finished the boat cruise and it was amazing. Like, if you ever come to Cape Town, please try the Mirage catamaran boat cruise. The sunset one. But I saw people queuing, so I think there's one after 9. I don't know. Maybe it's because today it's New Year's Eve and maybe people want to cross over in the middle of the ocean, which doesn't make sense to me. But anyway, it was so nice, you guys. I had a nice time and I feel like I would rate the experience a 10 out of 10. It was nice. So that's it from me, you guys. I don't think you're still gonna see his pretty face for tonight, but I will try to take crossover videos. So thank you so much for getting this vlog. Love you so much.
The vibe going after our fireworks display. You've been absolutely incredible. And now I get to see your beautiful faces and I can confirm you are so much better looking than last year. Stunning, every single one of you. Thanks a lot for being here. 2026, this is your year. And we say that every year, but I mean it this year.